In today's world, we're constantly surrounded by people, technology, and distractions. We are bombarded with notifications, emails, and messages. We are expected to be constantly connected, to be always available, and to be always on. But what happens when we take a step back and isolate ourselves from all that noise, constant stream of information, and distractions? What are the potential benefits of taking a step back and isolating ourselves from distractions and constant stream of information? For me, isolation was not something I was looking forward to. In fact, I was scared of what would happen when I was alone with my thoughts. But as I started to spend more time by myself, I began to realize that isolation was not something to be feared, but something to be embraced. I was able to confront my fears, my insecurities, and my limiting beliefs. I was able to work through them and come to a deeper understanding of myself. I was able to gain a new perspective on my life and to see things from a different angle. I also used this time to set new goals for myself, to plan for my future, and to focus on my personal growth. I started reading books, writing journals, and took online courses on personal development. I was able to invest in myself in ways that I never thought possible before. Isolation also allowed me to develop new habits such as regular exercise, healthy eating, and meditation. I took the time to sit in silence, to focus on my breath, and to clear my mind. I learned the art of being present in the moment and to find sense of inner peace and tranquility. These new habits have greatly improved my physical and mental well-being and have given me a sense of control over my life. Isolation also allowed me to reconnect with nature, to unplug from technology, and to find inner peace and calm. I turned off my phone and instead focused on the present moment for some time. It helped me understand that in the midst of a fast-paced and noisy world, sometimes all you need is a little bit of quiet and solitude to find clarity and direction. I took the time to explore the outdoors, to take in the beauty of nature, and to appreciate the simple things in life. I went for long walks in the park, sat by the canal to watch the water flow, and lay down under a tree and stared up at the sky. This reconnection with nature helped me find a sense of inner peace and to understand the importance of taking the time to appreciate the natural world around us. Isolation is not something to be feared, but something to be embraced. It's an opportunity for personal growth and development. It allows us to focus on ourselves and to gain a deeper understanding of our thoughts, emotions, and behaviors. Through this self-reflection and introspection, we can learn to understand ourselves better, overcome our limitations, and develop a greater sense of self-awareness. We can also develop resilience by learning to handle difficult situations and emotions on our own. By taking the time to isolate ourselves and focus on personal growth, we can become stronger, more resilient, and more self-aware. So don't be afraid to take a step back, to isolate yourself, and to invest in yourself. You won't regret it.